Hello everyone, today in this lecture, we are going to learn the difference among these confusing words, there, and there. But, if you are new to my channel, then please like the video and subscribe the channel. Well, let's move and learn first, there. There is a possessive adjective. It is used to show that something belongs to or is associated with a group of people. What does it mean? Simply, it means that it is nothing but just a possessive form of the pronoun, they, and it works as a possessive adjective. As you can get meaning from the word, possessive, it refers to a word that shows ownership or possession. Actually, it is just like other possessive adjectives such as, my, your, his, and, her, etc. Just look at these examples. They have their own house. Just look at this example, the word, there, is used, and, it is a possessive adjective, because, it shows a possession or ownership of the subject, they. It means that they have their own house and that house belongs to them and not to someone else. This question must be in your mind that why it is called an adjective. The answer is that because after this word the noun has come directly, so, that is why it is called a possessive adjective. Their dog is very friendly. Look again to this example, the word, there, has been used as a possessive adjective because it shows ownership or possession. Again, just observe this word, there, it follows a noun, dog. So, it means that the dog belongs to them. The next example is, their teacher is very kind. Again the word, there, is used as a possessive adjective, because it is used with a noun, teacher, and it shows that the teacher who belongs to them is, very kind. So, you can say that it is used with plural nouns to show ownership or possession. On the other hand, there. The word, there, refers to a word which is used to talk about the locations of things. Simply, it means that this word is used when we talk about the locations of things. Like, where things are. Just look at this examples. My book is there. Look at this example, the word, there, is used. Basically, if you look at closely, it shows the location of the book. You also need to remember that it is the opposite of, here. Actually, you can say that we use it when talk about the location, or place of things. I'll meet you there. Observe this example, the term, there, is used to show the location. Basically, again, it talks about the place of meeting. So simply, again it used to indicate a location of meeting. The next example is, I'll be there in a minute. Again the word, there, is used to indicate a location. Actually, we sometimes use this word to tell the addressee the location of meeting. So, you can see it talks about a place. On the other hand, there. There is a contraction of the words, they, and, are. It is used to express that the subject of the sentence is plural. What does it mean? Simply, it means that it is nothing but just the combination of two words, they, and, are. Basically, you might have seen the contraction forms like, can't instead of, cannot, and, won't, instead of, will not, so same is the case with this one, it is the contraction of form is, there are. It is used for more than one persons. Just look at these examples. They're my classmates. Look at this example, the contraction form of, they and, are, is used. Basically, it indicates more than two persons. So, in this case it refers to, classmates. And it is not a singular person but more than one person, so, that is why, they, and, are, have been used. The next example is, they're going to the market. Again the contraction form of, they, and, are, has been used because it refers to many people. There are watching the movie. Look, same is the case with the above-mentioned examples. Here the contraction form of they and are has been used. It indicates that one person is not watching the movie but more than one person is doing so. Well guys, if you have enjoyed the lecture then please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.